Understanding the language of your body is more than just recognizing when you feel pain or discomfort. It's about tuning into the subtle signals that speak volumes about our deeper health and emotional states. Each symptom or sign, whether it's a recurring headache, fatigue, or even just a feeling of unease, can often be traced back to emotional or mental conditions that require our attention and care. In this video, we'll explore how you can begin to listen more intently to what your body is trying to tell you, and how this awareness can lead you to a path of true and lasting healing. When your body speaks, it's crucial to listen. Physical symptoms are not just isolated annoyances, they are often messages from deeper within. For instance, consistent stomach issues may not only be the result of what you eat, but could be linked to stress, anxiety, or unresolved emotional turmoil. By paying attention to when these symptoms occur, you can start to make connections between your physical health and your emotional well-being. To practice this, take a moment each day to check in with yourself. How are you feeling physically? Are there any discomforts you've been ignoring? What about your emotional state? Are there stresses or worries that might be manifesting as physical symptoms? Making this connection is the first step toward healing. It's about developing a keen sense of awareness that tunes into the causes of your symptoms, not just the symptoms themselves. The link between your mental health and physical health is undeniable and well documented. Positive mental and emotional health can boost immunity, enhance energy levels, and promote healing, while negative states can do just the opposite. It's essential to cultivate a mindset that promotes health and well-being. One effective way to do this is through the power of positive thinking. This doesn't mean ignoring your problems, but addressing them with a positive outlook. For example, instead of thinking, "I always get sick," you might reframe this thought to, "I am capable of healing and feeling well." Such affirmations reinforce your mental resilience and can lead to real changes in your physical state. To integrate this into your life, begin by observing your thoughts throughout the day. Notice any negative patterns or self-talk that might be undermining your health. Once you identify these patterns, you can begin to replace them with positive affirmations that reinforce your health and well-being. Over time, this practice not only changes how you view your health, but also how your body responds to these thoughts. By focusing on understanding the signals your body sends and the profound connection between your mind and body, you set the stage for a healing process that goes beyond the physical. It's about aligning your mental, emotional, and physical health to create a balanced and healthy life. Understanding the basic principles of self-healing is fundamental in taking control of your own health. Acceptance is one such principle, where you acknowledge your current state without judgment. This acceptance does not mean resignation, but rather recognizing your reality as the first step towards transformation. Awareness of your emotional and physical states is equally important, as it allows you to identify what needs healing. Forgiveness, both of others and yourself, can release emotional burdens that may be manifesting as physical ailments. To incorporate these principles, start by reflecting on areas of your life that need healing. Do this in a quiet space where you can be introspective without interruptions. Acknowledge any feelings of discomfort or pain without criticism, and consider what changes might help alleviate these symptoms. This practice not only promotes physical healing, but also supports emotional resilience and a sense of inner peace. Affirmations are powerful tools in the self-healing process, helping to replace negative thought patterns with positive ones. These simple, positive statements can shift your mindset and have a profound impact on your emotional and physical health. By affirming health, peace, and well-being, you are setting the groundwork for these states to manifest in your life. Begin using affirmations by choosing statements that resonate with your specific needs. If you often feel anxious or stressed, affirmations like, "I am at peace with my surroundings," or "I handle my life with joy and ease," can be beneficial. Repeat these affirmations throughout the day, especially in the morning and before bed, to reinforce their impact on your subconscious mind. It's important to be consistent with these practices. Like any other habit, the benefits of affirmations build over time. They work by gradually changing your thought patterns, which in turn influences how you feel and behave. This change can lead to reduced stress levels, improved emotional health, and as a result, better physical health. Breathing techniques are vital tools in managing stress and enhancing relaxation, both of which are crucial for healing. These methods help regulate the body's response to stress and can improve overall health by promoting relaxation and lowering blood pressure. To start, you can practice deep breathing, which involves taking slow, deep breaths to increase the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes a state of calmness. Simply find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and focus on breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. Aim to breathe deeply enough that your lower abdomen rises and falls with each breath. Spend a few minutes each day on this exercise to help reduce stress and enhance your body's healing capacity. Visualization or guided imagery is another powerful technique in the self-healing toolkit. It involves forming mental images of places, situations, or specific outcomes you wish to manifest. This practice can lead to increased motivation, confidence, and focus on healing, which can positively affect physical health. To practice visualization, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and imagine your body as healthy and strong. Imagine your body healing any areas of pain or disease, imagining them becoming healthier with each breath you take. It can be helpful to use visualization alongside deep breathing techniques for enhanced effects. Regular practice can reinforce your body's ability to heal itself and maintain a positive outlook on your health journey. Nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting the body's natural healing processes. Eating a balanced diet filled with vitamins and minerals can help strengthen the immune system, repair tissue, and enhance overall health. To integrate healing nutrition into your daily life, focus on consuming a variety of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods provide essential nutrients that the body needs to function optimally and heal. It's also important to stay hydrated. Water is essential for all bodily functions, including the circulation of nutrients and the elimination of waste. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body well hydrated, which can help promote healing and improve energy levels. By making these dietary choices, you support your body's health and enhance your ability to heal from within. Physical activity is another vital component of a holistic healing strategy. Regular exercise can help maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve mental health. But the type and intensity of activity should be tailored to your individual health status and physical capabilities. For those beginning to incorporate exercise into their healing journey, gentle activities such as walking, yoga, or swimming can be highly beneficial. These activities are low impact and can be easily adjusted to suit your fitness level. The key is to engage in physical activities that you enjoy, as this will help you maintain consistency in your exercise routine. Regular physical activity not only strengthens your body, but also boosts your mood and energy levels, contributing to a better quality of life. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise a few times a week can have significant health benefits, including enhanced heart health and improved muscle and bone strength. Through a combination of good nutrition and regular physical activity, you can create a strong foundation for your body to heal and thrive. Creating a daily routine is essential for implementing and sustaining the healing practices we've discussed. A routine helps to incorporate new habits into your life consistently, which is crucial for long-term healing and well-being. Start by setting specific times each day for your breathing exercises, visualization sessions, and physical activity. This consistency helps your body and mind to integrate these practices as part of your daily rhythm. Consider your current schedule and lifestyle to determine the best times for these activities. For example, you might find it beneficial to practice breathing techniques and visualization in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or in the evening to help unwind before bed. Fitting in physical activity when you're most energetic and likely to enjoy it, perhaps during a midday break or after work, can improve the likelihood that you'll stick with it. By carefully planning and committing to your routine, you establish a framework that supports your healing journey. I encourage you to take what you've learned here and begin applying it little by little. Healing is not a quick fix, but a gradual process that flourishes with persistence and dedication. Trust in your body's natural ability to heal, support it with the right tools, and you will see changes not just in your physical health, but in your overall quality of life. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of self-healing techniques. Remember, the power to heal your body and transform your life lies within you. Start small, be consistent, and watch how your health and life improve in profound ways.